everyone, today in this video we're going to understand about how we can use rand function in Excel to generate random numbers. Functionality is simple, the formula is only with rand. So if you just use rand and if you click and enter, a random number is generated, but this random number is always with the range of 0 to 1. Let's say if I don't want to generate random numbers between 0 to 1, but it should be between 10 to 50 or 50 to 70 or something like this, then the formula goes something like this. You will have a rand, then you're trying to give a range of numbers from where you're generating. That is, you're going to give only the maximum value. That the maximum value, let's say I want to generate a numbers between 0 to 50. Now, how will I give? My 0 is my lower limit, 50 is my upper limit. How do I achieve 50? 50 minus 10, I'm getting added with 10. So what is it? 50 minus 10 would be your 40, and you're adding it, shifting it with 10. That is, the uppermost limit would be 50 for you, and the lowermost value will be 0 for us. If you click on enter, it's going to generate a random number between the range of 0 to 50. This is still a whole number, a decimal number. How do we convert it into a whole number? Just add it with the round function. A rand of the same 50 minus 10, and I'm adding with 10, 0. So what is it? This is a random number that you generated in the range of 0 to 50, but it's a whole number. Let's say, what if I want to, it's still a complicated. If not this, instead of you putting 0, if you put another number, it would generate in that range. Between numbers or a series of numbers would be generated. That can be simply achieved by rand between. That is, if you click on rand between, let's say I want to generate a number between 10 to 50. It's more simple than the way that we created with these two formulas, right? If you click on enter, it generated a random number between the range of 10 to 50. That was more simple. If you just drag it down, it generated a array of numbers where everything is so random. But one thing that if you make it out, all the numbers are keep on changing for each click. How do you make it go permanent? Select all the cells, click on copy. Okay. In the same cell, you right click, you have the paste option. Just go there, paste as values, click on that. Now these values became very stagnant and it will not be changed for each click. This is how you can make use of rand function to create random numbers in Excel. Whatever is achieved between rand between is achieved with rand of these formulas too, where more simplistic way is rand between. I guess this video was informative. Happy learning.